Many people in Kenya dream of starting a business but feel held back because they do not have experience, enough money, or business education. Some believe business is only for wealthy people or those with strong connections. Others wait for the perfect opportunity, perfect timing, or large capital before making a move. The truth is that many successful entrepreneurs started with very little. Some began by selling simple products to neighbors, while others started with only a smartphone and internet connection. Experience often comes after starting, not before. The most important step is beginning with something simple, manageable, and practical. Kenya has become one of the best places in Africa for small businesses because many people are willing to buy affordable products and services every day. Mobile money services have made payments easier, social media has created free marketing opportunities, and online marketplaces have opened doors for beginners to sell products without owning expensive shops. Even in small towns and villages, there are many business opportunities waiting for people who are ready to work consistently and patiently. One of the biggest reasons beginners fail is fear. Fear of losing money, fear of embarrassment, and fear of failure stop many people from even trying. However, every business owner learns through mistakes. Nobody starts as an expert. A person selling clothes today may have started with only 3 shirts. Someone running a restaurant today may have once sold tea by the roadside. Business growth usually begins with small actions repeated every day. Starting small is often smarter than waiting for large capital. A beginner who starts with 5,000 Kenyan shillings and learns gradually may become more successful than someone who starts with 500,000 Kenyan shillings without discipline. Small businesses teach valuable lessons about customer service, marketing, profit management, and patience. These lessons help entrepreneurs grow stronger over time. One of the easiest businesses for beginners is the Mitumba business. Second-hand clothes remain highly popular because they are affordable and fashionable. Many Kenyans prefer buying quality second-hand clothes instead of expensive new clothes. A beginner can start with a few pieces of clothing bought from local markets and sell them online through WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Others begin by selling to friends, neighbors, or workmates. The beauty of this business is that it does not require special training. A person only needs a good eye for attractive clothing and basic communication skills. Some beginners focus on women's clothes because they move quickly. Others specialize in children's clothes, jackets, shoes, or handbags. A person can begin with as little as 3,000 Kenyan shillings and slowly increase stock using profits. Social media has made this business easier because attractive pictures and short videos can attract customers very fast. Consistency matters greatly. Some sellers post products every day and respond quickly to customer messages. This builds trust and increases sales. Food vending is another beginner-friendly business that works well in Kenya. Food is a daily need, meaning there will always be customers. Many successful food businesses started with simple products like boiled eggs, smokies, samosas, tea, mandazi, chapati, or chips. A beginner can operate near schools, bus stages, markets, offices, or construction sites. The startup cost can be low depending on the type of food being sold. The food business requires cleanliness, friendliness, and consistency. Customers return to places where food tastes good and hygiene standards are maintained. A person who sells tea every morning can build loyal customers within weeks if the service is good. Even small improvements like clean packaging, smiling at customers, and maintaining time can increase profits significantly. Some people think online businesses require advanced technical knowledge, but this is not true. Online selling has become one of the easiest businesses for beginners because many products can be sold using only a smartphone. People buy phone covers, kitchen products, shoes, beauty products, electronics, watches, handbags, and home items online every day. A beginner can buy products locally or through importation and then resell them using social media platforms. TikTok has become especially powerful for beginners because short videos can reach thousands of potential customers quickly. Many young entrepreneurs in Kenya now make daily sales through TikTok live sessions and short product videos. WhatsApp status also remains one of the most underrated marketing tools because people already trust their contacts. A person who posts products consistently may begin receiving orders within a short time. Another growing opportunity is freelancing. Freelancing means offering services online instead of selling physical products. Many beginners are learning skills such as graphic design, article writing, video editing, social media management, virtual assistants, and voiceover recording. The internet has made learning easier because free tutorials are available on YouTube and educational websites. A person can learn gradually while practicing daily. Freelancing is attractive because startup costs are very low. In some cases, a smartphone and internet bundle are enough to begin learning. A laptop may improve efficiency, but it is not always necessary at the beginning. Many freelancers in Kenya now work with clients from different countries and earn good incomes from home. The key is patience because building skills and getting the first client may take time. Laundry businesses are also becoming more profitable, especially in towns and urban estates. Many working people and students are too busy to wash clothes regularly. A beginner can start manually before purchasing expensive washing machines. Services may include washing, ironing, blanket cleaning, shoe cleaning, and pickup deliveries. Good customer service and reliability can help a small laundry business grow quickly through referrals. Delivery businesses have also increased because more people shop online and prefer convenience. A beginner with a bicycle or motorbike can start delivering food, groceries, packages, or documents. Some people begin by partnering with small online sellers who need affordable delivery services. Others work independently and advertise through social media and local networking groups. One reason delivery businesses perform well is because many customers value speed and convenience. A reliable delivery person who communicates well and delivers items safely can quickly gain loyal clients. Some people eventually grow from one bicycle to multiple motorbikes and employees. Content creation is another opportunity that many beginners ignore because they think it requires expensive cameras and studios. In reality, many successful content creators started using smartphones. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram allow people to earn money through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and promotions. A beginner can create content about business ideas, cooking, farming, comedy, technology, motivation, lifestyle, relationships, education, or daily experiences. The most important thing is consistency and authenticity. Many people fail because they expect instant success after posting a few videos. Content creation usually requires patience and regular uploads before growth becomes noticeable. Agribusiness continues to offer excellent opportunities in Kenya because food demand never disappears. Beginners can start with small farming projects such as sukuma wiki farming, spinach farming, onion farming, mushroom farming, or poultry keeping. Some people start in their backyards using small spaces. Others lease land temporarily before expanding later. Farming requires patience and planning, but it can become highly profitable when done properly. Beginners should first understand market demand before planting crops. It is important to know where products will be sold before investing heavily. Some farmers sell directly to hotels, schools, homes, and local markets. Beauty businesses also remain strong because many people spend money on grooming and appearance. Services like braiding, barbering, manicure, pedicure, makeup, and skincare are always needed. Some people begin by offering services from home before opening salons or barbershops later. Social media helps beauty businesses grow because people love sharing attractive hairstyles and makeup results online. Phone accessory businesses are another simple option for beginners. Smartphone usage in Kenya continues growing every year, increasing demand for chargers, earphones, covers, screen protectors, power banks, and repair services. Accessories usually have good profit margins because many customers buy them regularly. A beginner can start with a small stock and grow gradually using profits. Many successful entrepreneurs did not become wealthy immediately. They focused on consistency instead of quick money. Some people quit too early because they expect huge profits within weeks. Business growth usually happens slowly. A beginner may first earn 1,000 Kenyan shillings profit per week, before eventually earning tens of thousands monthly. One major mistake beginners make is spending all profits instead of reinvesting. Business money should help the business grow. Reinvesting profits allows stock expansion, better equipment, improved marketing, and business stability. Entrepreneurs who manage money carefully often survive difficult periods more easily. Customer service also plays a huge role in business success. Customers prefer buying from people who communicate respectfully, respond quickly, and solve problems professionally. A rude business owner may lose customers even if products are good. Trust is extremely important in business because loyal customers often return repeatedly and refer others. Marketing is another important factor. Some beginners fail because they open businesses and expect customers to appear automatically. Modern businesses require active promotion. Social media has made marketing easier and cheaper. Posting consistently on WhatsApp status, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram can attract customers without spending large amounts of money. Networking also matters. Entrepreneurs who connect with suppliers, customers, and other business owners usually discover more opportunities. Some beginners get their biggest clients through simple conversations and recommendations. Building relationships can open unexpected doors. Discipline separates successful entrepreneurs from unsuccessful ones. Business owners must wake up early, manage time properly, and stay focused even during difficult periods. Some days may feel discouraging because sales are low or problems arise unexpectedly. However, persistence often produces long-term results. Technology continues changing the business environment in Kenya. More people now buy products online, order deliveries digitally, and pay through mobile money services. Beginners who learn how to use technology effectively usually gain advantages. Even basic digital skills can help businesses grow faster. Many young people are now combining multiple income streams instead of relying on one business only. Someone may run an online store while also freelancing or creating content online. Diversifying income can reduce financial pressure and increase stability over time. Despite opportunities, beginners should avoid rushing into debt. Taking large loans before understanding business operations can create serious pressure. It is usually safer to start small, learn gradually, and expand slowly. Controlled growth often becomes more sustainable than rapid expansion without proper planning. Location can also influence business success. Businesses near busy areas often attract more customers. However, online businesses now allow people to sell products nationally without depending entirely on physical locations. Some entrepreneurs operate completely from home while serving customers across different counties. The mindset of the entrepreneur matters greatly. People who continuously learn and adapt usually perform better than those who resist change. Reading business books, watching educational videos, and learning from experienced entrepreneurs can improve decision-making skills. The future of small businesses in Kenya looks promising because entrepreneurship continues growing. Economic challenges have pushed many people to seek independent income sources instead of relying entirely on employment. This has increased innovation and creativity among young entrepreneurs. Women are also increasingly entering business and achieving impressive results. Many women-owned businesses now thrive in sectors like beauty, food, online selling, farming, and fashion. Access to digital tools has made entrepreneurship more accessible than ever before. The most important lesson for beginners is understanding that every expert was once a beginner. Nobody starts with complete knowledge. Success often comes from starting before feeling fully ready. Small, consistent efforts eventually produce meaningful results. A person who starts selling products today may eventually own a large company in the future. A beginner freelancer may later run a digital agency. A roadside food vendor may one day own a restaurant chain. Business growth often begins with ordinary actions repeated consistently over time. Patience remains one of the most powerful business skills. Some businesses take months before becoming profitable. Others may face setbacks and challenges along the way. Entrepreneurs who remain patient and focused usually have better chances of long-term success. Kenya offers many opportunities for beginners willing to work hard and remain disciplined. Whether someone starts with 1,000 Kenyan shillings or 100,000 Kenyan shillings, success still depends on consistency, learning, customer service, and wise money management. The best time to start may never feel perfect. Waiting forever for ideal conditions often delays progress. Starting small today can create experience, confidence, and opportunities that may eventually transform a person's life completely.